Oh, look at that. Tingnan niyo po. Oh, diba? Wow! Pero okay lang yan. Maano rin natin yan. So, may mga patatas na tayo, diba? Libre na. Tsaka hindi naman siya matrabaho. Ayan. Oh, malaki. Ayan guys. Ayan po sila. Oh. Ayan. Yung mga patatas. Ayan po yung patatas. So, kuhain na natin. So, let's continue. Important thing is if you get the potatoes under the soil, be sure if you want to store it for a long time, don't wash it. Munti ka na namang naputol. Just stuck it in the dry, cold place. And don't wash it if you don't need it immediately, because it will ruin or it will destroy. I mean, it will rotten. You can just, if you will wash it immediately, then you can just stuck it for about 3 to 4 days. That's why you must be careful after harvesting the potatoes. Don't wash it if you don't need it, okay? So, puno na po yung ating balde. Napuno na po ang ating balde guys. So, kailangan natin siyang ilipat. Tingnan nyo po. 5. 5 pa lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na puno. 5 puno pa lang yan yung ginagrabin ko po. Pero napuno na yung ating balde. Kung ano ang itinanim, ang siyang iaanihin. At ano pa yung mga nalalaman ko about Bible, like lihok tawo kay tabangan. That's a Visayan version, but it's always in my mind. Na-learn ko po yan nung maliit pa ako, na nung pumupunta kami sa church, na lihok tawo kay tabangan. You will never achieve what you want to achieve if you do nothing. One of my example is, if you want to reach that place but you do nothing, you don't move, so you will never reach it. We did something wrong in this area. These 2 rows, because of renovation, we always go back and forth in this area, and that's why our potatoes are not so big. As you can see, this what we've harvested in that area. Why, if you plant some potatoes, soil must be soft and not so hard like what we did there. It's like a rock. Because we did renovation in this terrace, and that's why we step on it, and so we already finished harvesting the potatoes, and in this area we need to prepare for the winter salad. My husband wants to plant there something so that we can still have salad on winter. What do you call that salad, Mario?
Field salad.
Field salad daw. Field salad. So, napagod ako sa kaka-harvest kanina ng potatoes. Kaya, upo muna ako dito sa gilid. At magmamasid habang ang aking husband ay nagpre-prepare ng kanyang soil for the winter salad. Parang ang sarap kainin. Ting, ting, ang grapes. Pero hindi pa masyado. Sarap. That's all what we've got today sa ating mga na-harvest. So, we have to select kung mga nasira. Kailangan natin gawin yun today. Kasi hindi sila pwedeng i-stock po. Hindi po sila pwedeng i-stock kasi sira sila. So, pwede natin silang kainin today.
Mach mal einen Komposthaufen, gell? Vor dem Komposthaufen.
So, ito na po yung harvest namin. It's almost 20 kilos, guys. Ayan, 20 kilos almost or 30. So, ito po yung we must have to stock it in the cool, dry, and dark area para hindi po para mag long last po yung yung pag-stock natin. May nakuha pa siya ng mga sibuyas dyan. Oh. Ayan, dyan po dati nakatanim yung ating potatoes. Ito po yung ating mga grapes. Ayan. Maghugas po tayo ng iilan. The smallest one and the what's damaged, I need to wash it now and bring it home so that we can cook it. This is how I wash the potatoes po para mabilis. Lagyan ng tubig. Naman to organic, so kasi kami yung nagtanim, alam na to anong nilagay namin, so okay lang siya kahit hindi siya balat. Libre na tayo ngayon, bukas at sa susunod na araw hindi na tayo bibili ng patatas. It's almost 3 or 4, 5 kilos I guess. 5 kilos po siya. So God bless to all.